with resolution, everything's there, it's straightforward, it's easy, and it just makes sense.
Hi, welcome to this week's testimonial. We are in just back of Napier, and we are at the Newstead Farm with Rob Pattullo and James, and let's go and see what they've been up to on the farm and how they're using resolution. So we'll go find them.
Robbie, good to see you, man. How you going?
Yeah,
thanks for coming out.
Yeah, no worries.
Hi, James.
Yeah, nice to meet you, mate. Yeah. So,
Good to see you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Looking forward to touching base with resolution today and tidying up a few things.
yeah. So what's happening on the farm? We're gonna go and move some bulls, are we? And
Yeah, move the last of the bulls for the season and have a bit of a nosy around the place.
marking as well.
Couple of tasks and broken posts and on the road there, some boy racing, having a bit of fun. And
Oh, was it the boy races or was it those big freezing bulls of yours?
then the bulls are quite that big. So it's changed the way we record and share data, particularly for me, is during the animal health products when we treat a mob. Yeah, we were doing it all on paper. Now we've got a template. You can just copy the template, put in the relevant info, and it's all there in front of you. You can look at anywhere, check your withholdings out in the paddock or anytime. Don't have to get back to the paper or the whiteboard or anything like that.
One thing resolution does really well is, you can set a reminder for when that withholding period's comes up, finished. Just sort of leave nothing to chance there. I think that's really important now as part of your good, efficient on-farm recording. To have your map linked in to your on-farm recording is you're able to drop a point on it, you're able to map a water line, you're able to identify a water leak and show someone and tell someone where it is. It's that ability to quickly and efficiently transfer potentially a problem into a solution that someone can fix. We've got all our water lines mapped now. I've got 6 or 7 different systems here now, so you can isolate them out. It paints a really good, transparent picture of your farm.
The other thing I find particularly good, we have casual staff here that work 2 or 3 days a week. They're able to turn up and they'll be able to look exactly, see what we've been doing. I can put a pin in for them where there's a broken post, where there's a broken wire, anything like that, share a photo. This makes it really easy for someone coming on to know where they are, that they're in the right spot, double check everything and just be able to get on with it rather than trying to describe, go up this track 200 metres, turn left to that tree, 5 fence posts up there and stuff like that. Just say boom on the map and they're away. Which I think, especially for new stuff coming on, is just brilliant.
Windy, we've just come down the hill here and sounds like this is Skid Central here. Yeah, the old boy racers must like this corner where it looks for a bit of drifting, but one of them's gone a bit far, have they? Looks like they've taken out the fence. They've obviously gapped it and left you with the mess to tidy up. So, we're going to whack that in resolution and do as the task, are we?
Yeah, task. Car through fence. Then I go, what I do is I like to take a photo and then go to paddock. So you see there it's got our location turned on. Yeah. So you press mid bush, done, assignees, put under Robert and myself, draw layer, yep. My location saves it there where we are, and then just go into tags. Select tags, because this happens to us a bit, we have a car through fence. Done, and save.
Look, great to have you on the farm, Robbie. For the guys out there watching this, you and I are actually now sharing a casual labour unit, a young guy just coming out of school, and we're going to spend a bit of time with him and get him going. And I think resolution is part of the fabric of that sort of training exercise, and it's part of the fabric of running great, successful farm businesses now. So the young guy that we're getting on will really embrace that, I know, and become part of that. So closing from me, great to have you guys on the farm, fantastic. And we're always proud to show people around what we're doing. Great to be part of the resolution adventure.
No, it's bloody good. So, I really appreciate us coming and seeing you guys. It's been fantastic. Great. Thank you so much. That's it here for another episode of Testimonial Tuesday with Resolution, and signing off for next time. We'll see you then. Resolution,
we're on it.
Sweet. Cool. Thanks, guys.